The atmosphere at the Selayang court complex turned tense and briefly heated when the third suspect in an alleged sexual abuse case at a welfare home arrived to face multiple charges. The suspect, a 17-year-old juvenile who cannot be named under the law, was seen covering his head with a towel as he was escorted into the lockup area. While being escorted, an elderly man was heard expressing anger, remarking that those entrusted to protect had instead caused harm, while another described the situation as a betrayal of trust. The teenager, who is also a resident of the welfare home, later pleaded not guilty at the Selayang Magistrate's court to 4 charges of physical and non-physical sexual assault, as well as intercourse against the order of nature involving a boy. The plea was entered after all charges were read before Magistrate Mahmoodah v. M. Abdul Latif in proceedings held in camera as the case involved a minor. The charge sheet states that the accused allegedly committed intercourse against the order of nature with a boy aged 10 years and 5 months at a children's care center in Batu Caves on March 27, 2026. He also faces 3 charges under the Sexual Offences Against Children Act 2017, comprising 1 count of physical sexual assault and 2 counts of non-physical sexual assault. The court allowed bail of 6,500 ringgit with 1 surety and fixed June 24th for case mention for the submission of documents. On Thursday, the caretaker of the welfare home, 25-year-old Retna Velu, pleaded guilty at the Ampang Sessions Court to 15 charges of sexual assault, including offences against the order of nature involving several boys. The court denied him bail and fixed May 21st for sentencing. Meanwhile, the welfare home operator, 31-year-old S. Valan, pleaded not guilty to 4 charges of physical and non-physical sexual abuse involving minors. He was granted bail of 15,000 ringgit with 1 surety, and the court set June 10th for mention of the case. The case has drawn public attention following allegations that abuse had been ongoing for years at the unlicensed welfare home, with multiple residents believed to have been victims.